generated like multiple A/B test variants within minutes. Right, so this is another variant here, as you can see. Then this again is another variant here where we have images, and yes, you can see this works completely. If I add to cart, it will show you that it is added to cart, and you can actually check it out right from this landing page itself. So while this is making the change, it will also Codex will basically use the browser plugin to actually control and take screenshots and verify until your landing page is not pixel perfect as to how you want it. So this hi everyone, I know it's quite a long time that we haven't posted any content on what we were building. So yes, I just wanted to take this quick moment to introduce what we were building for the past few weeks. So here comes Lexsis. So today Lexsis has evolved into the first personalized storefront layer that can actually manage your entire Shopify storefront. What I mean is, let me just show it to you. So we have MCP server that lets you actually build customized storefronts based on the target messaging that you want to go for. Right, so let me just quickly show it to you guys. So let me quickly first tag add MCP and let us wait. So yeah, before this starts working in the background, let me give you a quick overview of how exactly this works. Right. So with Lexsis, you can build customized landing pages tailored to your own ad persona, tailored to the messaging of your ad creative, and you can use it any way you want when you want to test different landing page variants across different marketing channels. So you can use this for pretty much everything. So this is one of our test store that we have, wherein we just cloned Grunt's product and we connected it to our Shopify store here. So yes, so you can, once you come onto the platform, you can basically track and automate your entire AEO and GEO for your e-commerce brand. We do offer a lot of features here. You can just go and check it out. But today the main motto is not AI visibility, but it's how the storefront operates. Right. So once we connect your Shopify store to our app here, we basically sync in all of your catalogs, your products. Right. So this is how all of your products looks. And yeah, let's just go back to Codex again. Yes, so right now it has listed all of our products. It's getting each and every. So let's just wait for a quick minute. It's basically pulling in all the components that it needs to build the entire page, right? For example, the bundle builder, the site header, the footer, right? So all we can do is just keep on waiting for now and resume after a few minutes once it has done generating the first version of your PDP. Yeah, while that is done, let me just give you a quick platform overview as well. So once you come onto the platform, you can actually see what are the customer personas that you have, right? Who you should be targeting for. So all of this context is fed, and all of this context is literally used by our MCP to basically build very hyper personalized and targeted landing pages that actually convert. So yes, so now it is actually using the browser skill to actually view what it generated. So let's quickly wait up for that. So if you see here, it is actually verifying the laptop view, the mobile view, right? Each and everything. So this is the page that it has generated in the first iteration as the bundle builder pack. Right, you can see all the products listed here. Right, it has the footer, it has all the FAQ sections, and it is literally testing it as we speak. So let's say you don't like anything, right? You can just tell it, hey Codex, take control of the browser. I see a lot of issues. Firstly, the announcement bar is flickering, and the white text color on a yellow background does not suit good. So please change that as well. And we'll just hit enter. So while this is making the change, it will also Codex will basically use the browser plugin to actually control and take screenshots and verify until your landing page is not pixel perfect as to how you want it. So this basically helps marketing professional to A/B test multiple page variants, right, which can convert for you. What used to take 3 to 4 weeks and a lot of iterations between the design team and the actual Shopify developer now actually cuts it into half. And yeah, so let me give you the full demo. The demo is actually not over. So this does not build your landing page, but it actually connects to your Shopify and your entire checkout. So you can literally use this landing pages, host it on top of your own domain, and then use it to run ads, right, and see which landing page converts the best for you. So while this is working, let me give you a quick overview of the kind of landing pages that we have generated for some of a few brands. So this is one of the landing page that you can see here, right? We generated, if you see their actual landing page, it does not look good. It has no sense of a conversion optimized landing page. So this is one of the landing page that we generated for our customer. As you can see, this is completely on brand, right? It is customizable up to however you want it, even it's mobile responsive as well, right? So, and we generated like multiple A/B test variants within minutes, right? So this is another variant here, as you can see. Then this again is another variant here where we have fiddled with the image positioning and the layout here. And yes, so this is how the Lexsis AI MCP works. Let me actually show you guys a quick demo of how this actually works. Yes, So now after iteration, it has generated this, right? So as you can see, this is completely on brand, right? It is actually targeting the right customer with the right offer, right? And you can basically generate multiple variants of this as well. So let me actually show you how this actually works, right? So let's go to a couple of some other A/B test variants that we had generated. So this was one variant, right? Then we generated another landing page variant which has slightly different, a shiny button here, as you can see. Then we generated this variant which has some sort of a bento design, all within minutes of your time. Right? You can see this is completely on brand, speaks to the right customer with the right set of words. Right? And yes, so this is another variant where we used a multi-carousel product images. And yes, you can see this works completely. If I add to cart, it will show you that it has added to cart, and you can actually check it out right from this landing page itself. So this is what we've been building at Lexsis, and we are very excited for brands to try this out, right? So this is something like an emergent but specifically built for Shopify. So if you're in marketing and you know anyone who could specifically use such kind of a tool, then would love to get in contact. Thanks. This was just the first video that's gonna come out. I've shot it completely raw, and yes, more videos soon, more use cases soon. I'll see you next time.